Read, create, learn, play, and connect with the County Library in April. Celebrate the grand opening of our Daybreak branch April 30th with crafts, games, activities, and scavenger hunts for kids and adults. Then explore the 28,000 square foot, custom-built, state-of-the-art, net zero building, which includes thousands of books, movies, and albums, as well as unique amenities, including a rooftop patio and garden, an outdoor plaza and art installation, virtual reality, an audio-visual recording studio, bike repair station, digital design tools, and several meeting rooms, as well as public access computers, a green space pathway, an amphitheater, and so much more. The grand opening begins with speeches from local leaders and a ribbon cutting at 10 a.m. Activities continue until 4 p.m. See you at the County Library Daybreak, 11358 Grandview Avenue, April 30th. Learn more at thecountylibrary.org/building updates. Yule Ball returns April 29th at the library's Viridian Event Center. Voldemort and his Death Eaters have taken over Hogwarts, and Harry Potter is missing. It's up to you to track down the 8 pieces of Voldemort's soul and save Harry at this engaging and immersive event for high schoolers. Wear your best wizarding attire as you navigate mazes, wand duel, and prove your Harry Potter knowledge to destroy the Horcruxes. Learn more at thecountylibrary.org/Yule Ball. Create scooter bots, wiggle bots, bristle bots, bug bots, and more as you learn about coding, robotics, and engineering principles in fun, creative, and unexpected ways during Robotics Month. Check out the County Library's Create Spaces, where you'll find a plethora of electronic friends waiting to greet you, including humanoids Misty and JD, and our Q and Sphero robots. Create your own inventions with Makey sets and use Redboard to learn about circuitry. Find out more about Robotics Month at thecountylibrary.org/robotics. And the County Library's Taylorsville branch presents the Adult Lecture Series. Interesting and informative lectures with experts about a variety of topics. April's lectures include Ulysses S. Grant and the Surrender at Appomattox with the University of California, Los Angeles Professor Emeritus Joan Waugh on April 12th, and Polynesian Wayfinding with Mark Ellis, a crew member and student of navigation with the Polynesian Voyaging Society. Adult lectures are virtual and require registration prior to attendance on WebEx. For more about this month's topics and speakers, check out thecountylibrary.org/lecture series. Thanks for joining us for this month's Connect. We can't wait to read, create, learn, play, and connect with you in April.